U.S. Central Command now confirming that an American F-35 fighter jet shot down an Iranian drone in self-defense as it was approaching the USS Abraham Lincoln, now steaming its way through the Arabian Sea. That aircraft carrier arrived in the region just last week after President Trump said he would send in the military if Iran were to continue its punishment of protesters, despite striking down Iran's drone. The president telling reporters a short time ago that diplomatic talks remain ongoing.
They are negotiating. They'd like to do something, and we'll see if something is going to be done. They had a chance to do something a while ago, and it didn't work out, and we did Midnight Hammer. I don't think they want that happening again, but they would like to negotiate. We are negotiating with them right now, yes.
We saw a recent escalation in tensions today. Of course, this Iranian drone struck down from the U.S. as it headed towards the USS Lincoln. But then also earlier today, there was reporting and confirmation from the U.S. that Iranian gunboats attempted to seize a U.S.-flagged oil tanker in the Strait of Hormuz, about raising these questions about exactly where these planned talks are going to be headed. It is our understanding the U.S. delegation is being led by Special Envoy Steve Witkoff and the president's son-in-law, Jared Kushner. And our analysts at Bloomberg Economics say while these talks still remain on the table, they are likely a stalling tactic. One, on Iran's side to get a little bit more breathing room, and two, on the U.S.'s side to try to leverage them in these negotiations going forward, because the White House has laid out some of those firm demands that they would like to see, including that there will be a dismantling of Iran's nuclear program and a total end to nuclear enrichment, as well as a suspension of all of Iran's stockpiles. But at this point, Joe, we haven't gotten confirmation on what Iran will actually be willing to put on the table as we watch these negotiations and whether or not they could escalate to something further.